Hello everyone, today's topic is Art Integrated Project Work File Assam. Assam State File in English. Please do subscribe my channel. Now let's see. Now first page is introduction page. You have to write your name, class, section, roll number, subject and then school. Art Integrated Project Work Assam. Map, Assam map. Introduction. Assam is a state of India. It is a state in northeastern part. Assam state was formed on 26th January 1950. Assam is rich in mineral resources. It is known as the land of blue hills and red river. Assam is known for archaeological sites, tea gardens and Assam silk. Area and subdivision. Assam covers an area of 78,438 square kilometers. Assam is divided into 35 districts and 78 subdivisions. Boundaries. The state is bordered by Bhutan and Arunachal Pradesh to the north, Nagaland and Manipur to the east, Meghalaya, Tripura, Mizoram and Bangladesh to the south and West Bengal to the west. Government and politics. Assam Assembly is unicameral with 126 members of Legislative Assembly, 7 seats to Rajya Sabha and 14 seats to Lok Sabha. Capital and language. Dispur is the capital of Assam. Guwahati is the biggest city of Assam. The official languages of Assam are Assamese and Bodo. The second common language is Bengali. Flora and fauna. Flora includes of Holong tree, Borpat, Jutuli, Sam, Devasam, Nahar, Tita Chap, Bhelu, Mekai, etc. Fauna includes one-horned rhino, wild water buffalo, pygmy hog, tiger, red panda and other species of birds also. And here are the some pictures of flora and fauna of Assam state. Cuisine, food. Assamese are mostly non-vegetarians. Its meal consists of many things such as rice, lentils, fish, meat, fried greens, khar, chicken, duck, pigeon, pork and fish curry are famous food of Assam. Grasshoppers, snails, birds are also eaten. And here are the some pictures of dishes of Assam state. Music and dance. Bihu dance is very popular of Assamese. Satriya dance related to Vaishnav tradition is a classical form of dance. Other dances names are Bhortan Nritya, Jhumar dance, Ojapali, Bhagru Rumba, Devdhani and many more. And here are the some pictures of dances of Assam. Traditional dress. The traditional dress of Assam state is the Mekhla Chadar dress for women. This is a two-piece cloth similarly worn as a sari, and the man wear suraya and dhoti wear gamosa. And here are the some pictures of traditional dresses of Assam state. Ornaments. Assamese ornaments were originally used home kings and queens of Assam. The state Assam rich in the tradition of manufacturing gold jewelry, handmade and the designs mostly depict floral and fauna treasures. The ornaments are very beautiful. Here are the some pictures of ornaments of Assam state. Temples. Assam has lots of temples. Some temples names are Umananda Temple, Shiv Dol, Kamakhya Temple, Lankeshwar Temple, Shri Shri Ashwakranta Temple, Dol Govinda Mandir, Chakreshwar Temple, Tilanga Temple, ISKCON Temple, Kedar Temple, Nag Shankar Temple, Vishwakarma Temple, Bhageshwari, Bhuvneshwari Temple, etc. And here are the some pictures of temples of Assam state. Musical instruments. Musical instruments names of Assam state are Dol, Pipa, Tal, Gogona, Bahi, Jutuli, Toka, Bin, Khol, Nagara, etc. And here are the some pictures of musical instruments of Assam state. Agriculture. Rice is the main food crop in Assam agriculture. Tea plantation is also popular. Other crops names are wheat, barley, maize, oats, millets, pulses, oilseeds, palm seeds, sugarcane, cotton, jute and many more. And here are the some pictures of crops of Assam state. Houses. Garo houses are built by the people of Garo tribe using locally available resources such as bamboo, timber and cane. Assamese houses are made with walls of bamboo. They have a light tin roof. The houses are built on stilts because there are heavy rainfall. Here are the some pictures of houses of Assam state. Rivers. Assam has lots of rivers. Brahmaputra and Barak rivers are very famous. Other rivers names are Boroli River, Borolu River, Dhansiri River, Dihing River, Gabhuru River, Manas River, Subansiri River, Jatingha River, Longai River, Mudhura River, Katakhal River and many more. And here are the some pictures of rivers of Assam state. Famous festivals. Bihu is the most important festival of Assam. Some names are Rongali, Kongali and Bhogali Bihu, Baisakhi, Majuli Festival, Ambubachi Mela, Rajani Garba, Harni Garba, Baishagu, Jaunbil Mela, Brahmaputra Festival, Tea Fair and Festival. And here are the some pictures of festivals of Assam state. Wildlife sanctuaries. Famous wildlife sanctuaries are Kaziranga National Park, Manas National Park, Orang National Park, Bordeobam Bilmukh Bird Wildlife Sanctuary, Garam Pani Wildlife Sanctuary, Pabitora Wildlife Sanctuary, Holangapar Gibbon Wildlife Sanctuary and many more. And here are the some pictures of wildlife sanctuaries of Assam state. Tourist places. Famous tourist places of Assam are Umananda Temple, Kamakhya Temple, Majuli Island, Kaziranga National Park, Manas National Park, Orang National Park, Haflong Hill, Haflong Lake, Kakocheng Waterfalls, Toklai Tea Research Center, Padam Pukhuri, etc. And here are the some pictures of tourist places of Assam state. Other important things. Assam is known for silk sari and garments, bamboo craft, bell metal crafts, jewelry, pottery, woodcraft, handicraft, handloom, cane products, toys, traditional paintings and many more. And here are some pictures of other important things of Assam state which is famous. Poem on Assam. Land of rivers and waterfalls, land of blue hills, land of red river, attractive hills and mountains. It is known for wildlife sites, famous for one-horned rhino, famous for wild water buffalo, famous for red panda, famous for golden langur. Rice and tea plantation is popular, famous for Assam silk, famous for Bihu dance, rich for festivals, rich for cultures. Our Assam is always best. Symbols, emblem, oxen sorkar, song, O More Apno Desh, language, Assamese, mammal, one-horned rhino, bird, white-winged wood duck, flower, foxtail orchids, dance, bihu, tree, holong. Thanks.